Today concept name is synchronization. Today concept name is synchronization. Important concept is the concept of synchronization. Today concept name is synchronization. Synchronization. What is synchronization? Synchronization is nothing but it is a process of matching the speeds of both tool and the application. Both and the application. In order to keep them in order to keep them in sync with each other. Sync with each other. Synchronization is a process of matching the speeds of both tool and the application in order to keep them synced with each other to obtain proper testing result. To obtain proper testing results. Testing results. So there are three types of synchronization statements. There are two types. There are two types of synchronization statements. There are two types. One is by inserting thread or slip. Second one is implicit
it's like when we are launching second web page, we'll be usually using thread.slip, right?
Right.
It's the same one.
Yes.
Okay.
Second one is implicity statement. Implicity wait statement. We can say there are two ways. One is right, Madam Swati, Madam. Good morning, good evening, welcome to class. So today concept is.
Hello.
Yes, Madam Swati, Madam. Good evening, Madam.
Good evening, Andy. I was waiting for you, Akhil, and you just shared the link and you started the class. You please wait for me to join at least for 5 minutes. Give me after giving you the link.
Oh, okay, sure, Madam. Just
okay, thank
we
you.
are waiting. Yes. Today concept synchronization. Just only 1 minute. Synchronization is nothing but it is a process of matching the speeds of both tool and the application in order to keep them synced with each other to obtain proper testing results. So I wrote only this line, but I didn't explain anything. There are two types. One is by inserting thread or slip. Second, implicity wait statement. So there are two ways. Synchronization kind we can implement in two ways. One is by inserting the thread or slip. Second one is implicity wait statement. Syntax. What is synchronization concept? I will tell you with example, don't worry. WebDriver reference. Syntax WebDriver reference dot manage dot
for implicit statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Timeouts dot implicity wait I mean milliseconds how we can write wait statement? Web driver reference wd dot manage dot timeouts dot simplicity wait simplicity wait wd dot manage dot timeouts dot implicity wait. So we will use simplicity wait time 30 seconds. Defaultly we have 30 seconds. Selenium will wait minimum 30 seconds. Time unit dot seconds. Seconds. This is the implicit wait statement. Okay, right. For example, we are working with Gmail application. For example, what is synchronization point? I will tell you. I am working with the Gmail application. I am at username field. So I am giving username. I'm giving username. I am clicking on next button. It is moving to next page. It is moving to next page. It is taking time. How much time it is taking? I don't know. I don't know how much time taking to open the next page. Password page. How much time taking to open that password page? I don't know. So that time I am writing thread.sleep. For example, thread.sleep I am writing 10 seconds. Okay, 10 seconds I am writing. If it is application available also, it will wait 10 seconds. If it is password field, if it is open within 2 seconds also, it will wait 10 seconds. Why? Because I said to Selenium, just wait 10 seconds. At any cost, it will wait 10 seconds. If it is application available also, it will wait 10 seconds. That is the drawback of thread.sleep. What is the main drawback? If you want to work with any application, if it is moving to another page, how much time taking? If you don't know that time, if you write thread.sleep, if it is application available also, it will wait in your specified time. That is the drawback in thread.sleep. That is wait statement. That is the thread.sleep drawback. What is the drawback? So if you mention the time like 10 seconds, if it is a application available also, it will wait 10 seconds. If it is application available also, it will wait 10 seconds. So that is the drawback of wait statement. So if I write the implicit wait statement, so you can give the time your choice. If you give 20 seconds, so max it will wait 20 seconds. If it is application available, it can perform the action. That is the implicit wait statement use. So always we will use synchronization point only. But sir, up to now you used only thread.sleep. Why you are saying right now implicit wait statement this is the best you are saying, but this class starting onwards we are using only thread.sleep. Why sir you are raising one doubt? But I am using only 2 seconds, 3 seconds. Okay, whenever I am writing thread.sleep, I am using 2 seconds, 3 seconds. I'm not giving much time or more time. So I'm giving only 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That's the reason always we can write thread.sleep. If you want to write synchronization point, something it is somewhat it is a big line. So I'm using when I'm just 2 to 3 seconds thread.sleep. Okay, I use it for only 2 to 3 seconds. So that is that time no need of this implicit wait statement. What is the use of wait statement? Thread.sleep. What is the main use? So it will wait up to specified time. So if you give 10 seconds, it will wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds only, it will perform the action. That is thread.sleep. What is the drawback?
So, Akhil, Akhil, then sorry, the thread dot sleep will wait for a time which we have given, like 10 seconds or 20 seconds. Whereas for the implicit wait, even though we give the time, it doesn't wait. It doesn't wait even when the application is ready. Is that what you're expressing?
It can perform the operation. If it is application ready,
Okay.
it can perform the
even
operation.
even though if we give 10 seconds for the implicit wait, but the next page is loading within 2 seconds, then it will perform the operation, right? Within
Yes,
2 seconds only it will load. That's the
yes.
reason we are using implicit wait.
Implicit wait. That is the
Okay.
concept. Okay. If it
Okay.
is thread.sleep, if we give 10 seconds up to 10 seconds compulsory, if it is application available also, it will wait 10 seconds. But implicit wait, if you give 1 hour also, it will wait maximum 1 hour. But if it is application available within 2 seconds, it will perform the action. It will not wait 1 hour. So that is the advantages of implicit wait statement. So very important concept. So only small point, only very small point. Syntax reference dot manage dot time units implicit wait time dot time units. So simply we can write wd dot manage dot time units implicit wait 30 comma 30 is default 30 comma time unit dot seconds. So we are taking seconds. We are taking in seconds. So 30 seconds. Or so this is the implicit wait statement. What is the main drawback in wait statement? Got it? Got the point? What is the main drawback? So if you give the time up to specified time, tool will wait. So that is the drawback. If it is application available also, it will not perform any action. But if it is implicit wait statement, if it is application available, it can perform the action. It will not wait up to specified time. It will not wait up to specified time. Here we can give 1 day or 1 year also. There is no big issue. So if it is application available, you can perform the action. Otherwise, it will wait max time. How much you gave, so that much time we can wait. But so compulsory. If it is application available, it can perform the action. That is the synchronization point. So if you want example, I will show you. If you want example, I will show you. Any doubt?
No, Akhil.
Right. Try to understand concept. Very easy concept, simple concept. No need of example also, but still you can learn. Synchronization. Synchronization is a process of matching the speeds of both tool and the application in order to keep them sync with each other to obtain proper testing results. So we are matching the speeds of both tool and the application. We are keeping the sync between tool and the application. Here we have an option Selenium life cycle. Today's article is a new class sync. The month published at required means you can finish. So driver, ready equal to new file for driver wd dot get db gmail.com and taking wd dot final by dot xpath and giving the xpath dot in case akhilreddy hyd akhilreddy hyd 1 hyd 1 right enough. Next, click on next button. Dot click. So in between I am waiting for a dot sleep. I'm writing 10 seconds. Next I'm giving password. Kind of console. Dot click. Right. Activate, take the xpath, copy, come here, activate, button, copy, here. So So, okay. Button. Okay. Right. So I'm writing thread.c. If it is application available, also it will wait 10 seconds. See, save, click on run. If it is application available, also it will wait 10 seconds. Observe carefully. Save, click on run. Observe carefully. Username. Click on next button. Now it is waiting 10 seconds. It is application available, but it is not performing any action. This is the drawback of wait statement. Yes. So if we want to avoid these statements, then here we will write thread.c. Go to write wd dot manage dot wd dot manage dot time minutes dot implicit wait. So all options is defaultly it will come implicit wait 30 come to 30 seconds. Time unit time unit time unit dot seconds. Right. Now observe this wait implicit implicit wait.
I think the mistake is you given dot after 30. So
Oh, right. Implicit wait 30 time minutes time minute seconds. Right. Observe carefully. It will not wait 10 seconds. Observe carefully. Observe carefully. Yes. So it can perform the operation. It will not wait up to specified 30 seconds. That is the concept of synchronization. That is the concept of synchronization. Concept is over. Synchronization concept is over. Right. Next, today concept is today concept. Next concept, how to get the data from Excel sheet. So yesterday we discussed one concept, how to create the data in Excel sheet. But today concept, how to get the data from Excel sheet. Next concept, very important concept, how to get the data from Excel sheet.
Okay, previously we saw how to enter data into Excel sheet, right? Now we are getting data from Excel sheet.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
Our data in Excel sheet. We want to get the data from Excel sheet. How to get the data from Excel sheet? Very important concept. So we can get the data from Excel sheet and we can implement. We can get the data from Excel sheet and we can use the data. We can get the data from Excel sheet and we can the data for testing. How? So how to get the data from Excel sheet first? First method, get sheet index method. Get sheet index method. Get sheet index method. Concentrate. This method is used for getting the sheet index by plotting the sheet. Get sheet index method. This method is used for getting the sheet index by providing the sheet. Next, get last row number. Get last row number. Get last row number. This method is used for getting the last row number in the sheet. Getting the last row number in the sheet. Getting the last row number in the sheet. Here sheet count start with 0. Here count start with 0. Here count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Row count start with 0. Already yesterday I told you start with 0. Row count start with 0. Get last row cell number. Get last cell number. This method is used for getting the last number of cell in the row. This method is used for getting the last number of cell. Last number of cell in the sheet. In the row. Here count start with 1. Count start with 1. Here count start with 1. Get last cell number. Get last cell number. Get last cell number. Next, get sheet index. Get sheeted. Last method, get sheeted method. Get sheeted. This method is used for making Selenium. Making Selenium. Focusing on the particular row. Based on the index. Based on the index. Based on the index. This is the concept. How to get the data from Excel sheet. Compulsory we should know these 4 methods. Get sheet index method, get last row number method, get last cell number, get sheeted method. So very important. Just you should remember. Here row count start with 0, cell count start with 1. So if it is web table, that is quite opposite. I don't want to talk about web table right now. So here row count start with 0, cell count start with 1. Row count start with 0, cell count start with 1. Row count start with 0, cell count start with 1. Okay. Now I am creating one Excel file now. Click the Excel file. I am creating one Excel file. Rajesh. Yeah. So, that's right. Number also. This is the string data type. I'm giving Ramesh 15, 13, 12, 13, 13, 28, person, more, 28, 36, 7. I created one data. I created one file. Data dot XLSX. Oh god. XLSX. Data. XLSX. So I have data. I want to get the data. I want to get the data. Simple. How to get the data from Excel sheet. Next concept. So first of all, we need to configure 5 files. Yesterday we did or not, I don't. So once again, right click, go to properties, Java build path, libraries, add external jars, add 5 files. Control R. Click on open. Click on right. Go to Assertions, take the new class. Concentrate. I will not repeat again. Okay. Why? Because this is the programming part. If I want write, I am very poor in typing. So if I want to write once again, it is very difficult. So if you have doubt, you can ask me now. But I don't want. I will not repeat this concept once again. Why? Because if you want to write this code, it is very difficult. If I want to copy paste, I can do it. But if I want to write manually, something is difficult. Okay, right. First, I am taking one public string. Public static string S1. I am taking one string S1, public static string S1 I am taking. So now file input stream or input stream we can use. Input stream, yesterday we discussed. Input stream, input. If you want to get the data from other locations, we will use input stream. File input stream, FIS equal to new file input stream, new file input stream, file input stream, FIS equal new file input stream, path of the file. You should write path of the file. So I don't know path. Just go on, right click, go to properties, copy the path of the file, copy, keep in double colon, control T. Up to desktop we got the file information. So after the data dot XLSX. So already I told you compulsory we should use double slash. Right. Right. So already yesterday I told you if you want to work with the Excel sheet compulsory we should use workbook WB equal to workbook fact dot create FIS. This logic we learn from one concept in Java. What is that concept? Tell me. This logic we learn from one concept in Java. What is that concept?
Which concept you are talking about, Akhil?
So here I used one logic. So file input stream FIS equal to new file input stream. So workbook WP equal workbook factory dot create FIS. That reference I gave here. So this logic we learned from Java. What is that concept?
That is we create properties file, right?
No.
I am not getting actually your question.
Yes, madam. File input stream FIS. This is the reference name of file input stream FIS. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
workbook WP equal workbook factory dot create FIS. That reference I gave here.
Yes.
This logic we learned from Java. What is that concept, madam?
Uh, that construct no.
Up to now we didn't learn constructor also. Next class I will teach you constructor. Dynamic handling file
This
system,
is
madam. Dynamic handling file system. File writer FW equal new file writer, buffer writer BW equal new buffer writer FW. Okay. If you write file writer, we unable to write the data into the file system. Compulsory we should take the reference from buffer writer. So using buffer writer
yeah.
reference only we can able to write the data into the file system. So if you write file input stream, we can't get the data from Excel sheet. So compulsory always we will use workbook WP equal workbook factory dot create FIS.
Why do we use workbook factory here?
So
What is workbook factory exactly?
so actually workbook WP equal new workbook. Normally if you want to get the data from Excel sheet or if you want to send the data from Excel sheet, always we will use workbook. But here is syntax. If you want to get the data from workbook, so sorry Excel sheet, here we will use workbook WP equal workbook factory dot create FIS. So it will create one workbook factory. So with the reference of file input stream.
Okay.
Right. Next, concentrate into st reference name. I am giving st into sheet reference name. I am giving into st reference name is st equal to wp dot get sheet index method. What is the use of get sheet index method? Get sheet index. Just now we finished get sheet index. Getting the sheet index by providing the sheet name and giving the sheet name is sheet 1. Why I am giving sheet 1? In Excel sheet we have 3 sheets. One is sheet 1. I am giving the sheet name. What is the get sheet index method? This method is used for getting the sheet index by providing the sheet name. I am giving the sheet into st equal to wp dot get sheet index method. This method is used for getting the sheet index by providing the sheet name. Right. Sheet is equal to wp dot get sheeted. Get sheeted. Get what is the get sheet data? It will focus on the particular row based on the index. So it will focus on the particular row based on the index. So st, concentrate on st. Next, I want the number of rows and number of columns. Int row count, row count into row count equal s dot get last row number. Get last row number. So here row count to start with
0.
0.
0.
So here I am writing observe here for I equal to 0. I am writing I equal to 0. Observe carefully. I will change the line here. One second. So here two ways. Once I will write 1, once I will write 0. So now I am writing 0. I less than row count plus 1, row count plus 1. So row reference name r equal to h dot get h dot get h dot get that get so we can get the all the row before the statement row string something is wrong on the right still get like that get cell count cell count into cell count equal to r dot get last cell number get last cell number for j equal for into j for into j equal to 1 cell count start with 0 cell count start with 1 so here I'm giving 0 wait I'm writing 1 I'm writing no problem. So after that once again I will change it I will tell you explanation also I will give j less than cell count j plus plus all right cell c equal or dot get cell j next so I want to get the data I covered rows and cells next only one line more than enough we can get the result if c dot kel c dot cell type your c cell type get cell type c dot get cell type get cell type get cell type is get cell type equal to c dot cell type string all right Shabash okay cell dot string cell type string is there any mistake to write the bracket s1 equal to c dot get string of cell get string get string cell1 right overman s1 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 right s1 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 what happens if c dot why it is showing error if c dot get cell type cell get cell type style not style cell type get cell type get cell type all right no errors no errors no errors file what happened file you can write file थोड़ा left change file input stream क्या हुआ है file input stream. So after writing the code, it will show you some underlines, add throws declaration, while not found exception, it will explain you code weight, add throws declaration, invalid format exception, IO exception. Save, click on run. Results Akhil desktop data XLS. Save. Input stream f equal new file input stream user cycle desktop data dot xlsx 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 and I'm giving xls. I think I will copy the Excel file. Oh God, already I told you XLS file is not very easy. Actually XLS, no data, no data. We have data. XLS, right there, copy and paste. XLS, right there, dot XLS. CHAI dot XLS. Save dot index minus 1 out of range, right. Oh, that's the reason. Just write here 1 now. So I will tell you why I am writing 1 now. I will tell you. So that's the reason 1 now. So here I am writing 0. Just wait. So save. Click on run. 1. Sheet index minus 1 out of range 0.0. Replace this. Last number 1 now. Row count plus 1. So row count start with 0. 0 plus row count plus 1. Right. Row count start with 0. Plus it start with 1. Right. Save. Click on run. What is out of range. Something is wrong. That's wrong. Equal to 1.
Why? But
Need one Excel file. Wait. Please. Excel. So it copy. Excel file. Graphic service. Save, click on run. Oh, stop recording. I don't want to waste. Okay. Last final chance. Working on my PHP. C dot get cell type. Get cell type. No need, but still we can try. Equal C dot cell type number. Rather this one equal string dot value. C dot dot long double into value of right or C dot.
Okay, here we have taken the row count is s dot get last row number, right?
Yes.
So in loop we are taking row count plus 1. So it should be less than or equal to row count, right? Not row count plus 1.
Wait a minute, 1 minute. Wait, I will solve the problem. Get numeric. Numeric cell value, right? Numeric cell value. So we can get the result now. Max I will write. S5, S4 from place. S1. Right. So if else. I'm writing if else. So save. Click on run. Oh God. So tell me Kathy madam, what's wrong?
So no, I'm not saying something is wrong, but my logic is here we have taken.
So row count to start with 0. So I'm writing 0. So it will start with 1. So actually it will not start from index row count to start with 0. So that's the reason 0 I wrote and count start with 1. So row count plus 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. Okay, that is logic is right. And
Yeah, but first data would be the header, right? So
ah,
it would be the heading. So we will take I is equal to 1 so that we can get the data,
so I tried now, so it is not working. 1 plus 1.
right? And here you have written row count plus 1. So when we are taking the row count is equal to get last row number. So it should be less than or equal to row count, right? Not plus 1. If we will take plus 1, then it will give the last blank row, right?
So
So
if I
here we should write less than or equal to row count.
row count plus 1 only, madam. If you do changes, we can do it here. If you do 2 also, it is not coming. 1 is also not coming. But something is wrong. So I okay, save. We can run. Index seat index minus 1 is the problem. Seat index is minus 1. So great take one more. I'll take the new class x. Give the mark public start by click on finish. Go to nodes. Once go to nodes. Once go to nodes. What's wrong? File inputs. User model. Package. User model. User model. What? Apache file instance user model. What? File instance user model. Sheet. User model. Row. User model. Cell. User model. Same to same we wrote code. So the generate the cell count. Row equal to 1, row count plus 1. Save. Exceptions. IO exception. Invalid. Save. Done. No. Cheat index. So this is the nodes made of nodes. Already number of times I executed. Same error. Same error. Showing same error.
Akhil, what is the error? Sorry.
Showing save the run. Sheet index minus 1 is out of range. So, same number of times I executed, but today is not coming. So I wrote same code, same to as is, same to same, but here also same and copy paste after that also it is showing same error. Same, you can't out of it. Same to same. accessible, bulk sheet index, bulk files, user model accessible, bulk sheet index. So methods are not. So already configured Selenium. Once again configure the Apache files, sorry, Py files, take properties, manage kernel, all files are click on OK. Click on this one, sheet index this one. Sheet index minus 1. Sheet index minus 1. Off. On. Okay, we can continue tomorrow. Same, I will execute this one, so I will work out. So XLS file it is not taking our Y files problems. So code is same, code is right. So if it is same code, if I write SYSO control space seat index SYSO control space seat index ST. Save, click on run.
Sushmita?
Minus 1. Right. Tomorrow I will execute this program. Don't worry. Okay. I will explain you tomorrow once again. Okay. So same class, same time
Okay,
class,
Akhil.
same time class, same time class.